I feel a very strong energy of I don't know how to explain, but it doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right.
Good afternoon, guys. I am in QOM, the second holiest city in Iran, and I am currently with. Do you want to say hi?
Hi, hello,
Hi,
how's it
look at the
going?
camera.
Yeah.
So I'm here for only for a night. This is the holiest city because. Do you want to explain?
And here is the center of Shia Muslim in the world.
Oh,
QOM
okay.
is something like Vatican.
Oh,
Something like
okay.
Vatican for Christians. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then this is for
For Shia Muslim.
Shia Muslim.
Shia Muslim is the
Yeah.
center of Shia Muslim in the world.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
And from all over the world coming from here to study theology and Shiaism and whatever related to Shia Muslim.
okay, so and behind us
Here
it's
is Imam Hassan Mosque.
Imam Hassan Mosque, which is quite a new building, but then it's actually old, yeah.
Yeah, it's this part of the facet of mosque is new, but the building itself is old. I mean the
Oh,
whole
okay,
building is
okay.
really old and it's really archaic. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. I'm recording from a phone because I couldn't bring camera into this area. I'm currently in a holy shrine. You can see. But it's difficult for me to see. Difficult for me to even process this religion, this whole thing. I feel a very strong energy of I don't know how to explain, but it doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right.
We're currently at QOM Bazaar that is quite old, and I have someone that is kind enough to explain what's your name.
My name is Adi Reza.
So, what do you want to explain about this?
Yes. There are two roofs here, you know? Upper roof and lower roof. You know? This place, yellow place, you see?
Yeah.
Yellow. Is bombarded by Iraq Air Force around 33
okay.
years ago. This place, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. And repair after.
Oh, okay. So this place was affected during the Iraq War, yeah?
Yes, it's Iraq. Do you want to know about the homes carpet?
Okay.
These are 100% wool, you know?
So it's warm.
Yes, it's wool. Some of them Some of them are mixed, you know. For example, this one is mixed, silk and wool, you know. So around 40% is silk, 60% is wool. The wool, cotton wool. This signature is very original. It's very old. You know, we say Lachak Torrent Shahbasi.
What does that mean?
Lachak Torrent.
It's the name of the design, and
Oh, okay.
This is Lachak, you know. This is Torrent.
this part is Lachak here. This one is Torrent. Yeah.
Oh,
Lachak Torrent.
And
It's
it's
Shahbasi.
originally from which city? I mean, the design is for which city? Lachak was.
It's from home, yes.
oh, okay. So we are currently at a tea house. Why do you think this tea house is special?
You asked me.
Yeah.
There's no need to
No,
ask
but
such a question. You can find it out by the.
yeah, the buildings,
I mean,
yeah.
the architecture.
So we are walking back to Ali's place, and I'm going to take a bus, a night bus, to go to to Kashan, a city located about an hour and a half from QOM. And so you're comfortable now talking in front of camera.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much
Here
it
is
for-
really a religious city,
and
and as you know, you can continue whatever happening here.
okay. I'm currently at a shared taxi to go to Kashan, a city that is located an hour and a half from QOM, and yeah, it's with other passengers as well. Hey there, I have just arrived in Kashan, a small city that's located quite close to QOM, and I'm currently waiting for the guy from a hostel to actually pick me up. Yeah, it's been a crazy journey today because I left Tehran using a bus, and I was helped by a guy. He was insisting to actually pay me for the bus, and he said because I was his guest, and it was really nice. And so when I got off, he was supposed to be going to another place, and he actually got off from the bus and insisted to actually accompany me to the place that I was about to go to. And as a female solo traveler, sometimes it becomes weary, or it's worrying for me to only to accept helps from guys. But I'm just happy that it was genuine. And after that, I arrived and met a couchsurfer and went to a holy shrine of a sister of one of imams that Shia Muslim believes. And I cried a lot, not because it was overwhelming, because at first I had to get a chador to cover. Every woman has to get a chador there, and they gave me a wet tissue to actually remove my nude lipstick, which means the lipstick that is my lip color. And I couldn't relate to that, of being this much of religious, and I can't relate to it, and it felt so overwhelming. The energy was so strong for me personally, because everyone was there. It felt like, I mean, yeah, they all had probably similar religion purpose, and so I decided not to stay in QOM because I felt it was a bit too much for me. And I went to Kashan, and on the way to Kashan, we were in a shared taxi, and a guy also insisted to pay. So yeah, it's a mix of everything, and it's been quite a long day today. I'm going to wait for the guy from the hostel, and we'll probably see you again the next day. See you again in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.